Hey guys, I'm Cyborg Sheep, and welcome to the Weekend Post. In this video, do you guys remember Parrot? Like, that Parrot?
I remember back when Parrot first released the Bebop one, it looked so cool. The fact that they could get a stable image out of a camera that didn't even have a pan and tilt mechanism, and the fact that you could program the drone to fly itself automatically was just crazy. In a way, Parrot kind of helped to create a whole new industry, cinematography with drones.
I have something planned for this, which will happen at a later date. But today, what we're going to do is we're going to get this opened up, test it out, see how it works. Also, by the way, thank you so much to Joel who sent this to me. This is going to be awesome. Let's do this. So, inside the box, we have FPV goggles, 2 batteries, instrucciones, cables, 1 for charging the controller, 1 for charging the flight batteries. We have the adapter brick, we have the controller, phone mount, propellers, and the main event. Ooh, yeah! Step number 1, of course, is to get these batteries and this controller charged up. Well, crap. Flashing red light. Dead battery. Nuts, man. That sucks. So I'll try charging this other one, see if it works. Haha! Green light. Finished charging. Perfect. Let's get the controller charged up, and then we'll start testing it out. Right then, so today is tomorrow, and she's all charged up. So, let's get the drone powered up and get her all set up. Alright, everything's turned on and working, and controller prompted me to install the FreeFlight Pro app, so we're going to go ahead and install that. Got her installated, so let's open it up. If we say connect, aha, here we are. Boink. We're connected. Let's go back into the app. Bebop 2, connecting. Alright, got it all set up. As pretty much as far as I can. It's asking me to calibrate on the app, but I'll do that once I get out to where I'm going to fly it. And yeah, so basically we're ready to get out there, take this for a maiden voyage. Well, I suppose it's re-Maiden because it's already been flown before, but yeah, let's do this. Alright, so time for my first test run of this thing. So, we are going to push the takeoff button. Nice. So, there you have it. That is the Parrot Bebop 2 drone. I must say, this drone is pretty amazing.
The digital video stabilization especially is awesome on this thing. It's pretty cool how on this drone, the camera doesn't actually move. It's basically a camera that has special, I think, lenses on it that shoot an image that can see almost a 180-degree sphere around itself. And basically what it does is in software, it pans the section of the image that it's taking of that full exposure and stores it as an image in the drone. It's pretty ingenious, actually.
Anyways, guys, I think I'm going to wrap the video up there. Huge thank you to Joel again, who sent this to me. Hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you dudes in the next video.